Right, so this is Whitby Lobster Hatchry. It's a little aquarium place. So we'll take a Discovery Centre. So those are the prices. So yeah, let's take a look, shall we?
Assume our rare lobster is hiding today.
Lobster in there, is it? I see him. Yeah, I see him.
He has a quite unusual. Sits in there with me.
Yeah.
Like this one.
Oh yeah.
So they'll eat that to reclaim the minerals they lost.
Brilliant. Some of the sea baby ones.
Mine's at 40. Between 35 and 40.
That's weird, isn't it?
So she's a cat shark.
Oh, she's a
Shark? Yeah. She looks like she's native species.
She's not moving.
Just resting.
Oh.
She's you can see the That's his protein for. If you see the other one, it's a bit longer than what cereals. It's got more protein on the slice of it. So that one there is actually the same type as this one, but they're good at changing colour. Yeah.
So those baby lobsters that's 4 weeks old.
Two different species of that.
And these little baby ones here.
This one really wasn't dark.
These are actually about a week old. They haven't quite got their claws yet.
I think that was my son Taylor.
So basically,
I always see fishing in shops.
this is what they do.
Yeah.
And then see them alive and knocking them out. I said this to my mum. So he thinks it's that's insane. I've seen one in videos.
That's where the female lobsters are kept to have their eggs.
Well, they found one back in the 1930s that was thought to be 100 years old.
So that's what they start off like. Those are the ones that's roughly about a week old.
Lobsters don't really like their cells replicate. So the cells that replicate perfectly, they'll never have
Infinite stem cells.
basically. So they'll never have like any effects of weight, like getting tired or they'll always be used for having.
So this was the size of the biggest lobster that was found.
Like this is the modern cells. Oh yeah, so they're like to eat that old cell as well.
Yeah.
You play in your minerals or
Who knew this was
actually have 5 pigeons now as well.
Did one little sound there?
Yeah, that's a guiding net. We have a soul, show the soul. Yeah.
So let's save the best for last.
3.
There he is.
Smoking fish.
He's 35 years old,
Yeah.
this one.
So we got 1, 2, 3. There's 2 more.
He's a biggie. Definitely a big one.
I've lived here before.
Oh, yes.
Quite well.
Yeah.
Like £3 a day for a rich kid now as well.
This catfish shark here.
So these are gold
There's,
city bass. So
eggs.
those guys, the big ones are
So
battle
those
bass.
are the eggs.
These gold city, and that's about the biggest they get. Yeah. So gold city wrasse are the smallest wrasse, and they use those as like cleaner fish sometimes. And there's the other soul.
Yeah. They just keep it.
Yeah, people get salmon. So they've got like 5 people that hide them.
I can't believe the size
Wait
of
to
this.
see if
How
it
can
comes
you
out.
survive in the wild?
Yeah, a lot of them don't. I mean, the survival rate is 1 out of 20,000. Yeah. But even at this size, they'll do better than when they're first born because these ones can actually move on their own. They'll choose to hide. When they're first born, like the ones you see in that hook are in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this lobster down here, he's got a genetic mutation that called the weird colour pattern. It's like 1 in 30 million.
Yeah. I've read up there. I've seen it. Almost every France repeats with nature.
Yeah.
An incredible amount.
It does kind of look back in.
Right, just come out of the Discovery Centre, and yeah, it was really good actually, quite educational as well. The gentleman in there, he was explaining to me as well regarding the lobsters and what they do with hatching them and all that lot. So yeah, if you're in Whitby, come down here. Only £5 as well for an adult. So let's catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.